Hello there, you alright? Just waiting for Guy to pick me up because we're going sailing.
Sort of kneel on the floor in the middle of the boat. And then we'll just have to try and balance it, alright?
A bit faster, Bob, or not?
No, that'll be alright, otherwise we'll get wet.
No, we'll get wet, yeah.
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Left is right, right is left.
This is hard steering, this.
Try and get yourself in the middle, look.
I think that's what it is. We're not on the actual boat yet.
Left is right, right is left. That's what I'm getting in now. Just keep your balance.
Bungee ropes out on order.
That used to be often. Let it drop back a bit. Is that right? Put it into neutral. Back down the wind.
It's supposed to be nice. Yeah, it's that out
of there.
Oh my god.
Yeah, sometimes they get what calls luff up. So when it heels over so far, it's got no choice but to go anywhere except turn itself right into the wind.
Yeah.
Now sometimes if you've got a big enough rudder, you can stop it doing it. Bananas I can stop it doing it. Didn't look like it, stop it from doing it.
So they'll just turn into wind.
It'll just turn into the wind. But it's a little bit alarming because before it gets into the wind, it'll go right over.
Yeah, no one's told me that. It's the first time I've heard of that.
And that's called luffing up.
Oh my god. Imagine if I had the wife and kids on here then. That happens.
Well, that's what I'm saying. You
Yeah.
don't bring them out until you've got...
Know what I'm doing.